Say this again. And there's Mr. Booger Butt throwing a fit.
And there's Daddy walking away from it. Because I'm such a terrible father. Don't like him enough to get him to stop.
Avy. Hey, Avy. Hey, mister.
Buddy, where are you? We'll be back in a few days. So here's enough food for you. Here's a little more. Grab that. Here's a little more. I hope you're not overfeeding him. Of course not, Mum.
Come on, Tabitha.
Hi, Woody.
We don't want to miss our holiday.
Don't want to miss the holiday. Are you using the night vision? Because it'll be really dark otherwise.
Yes, I'm using the night vision. Although I think it's too close with her right here.
More than likely, honey.
What are you all standing around for? Got a big day planned. Let's go. People, chop chop.
Control.
Nope. Nope. Nope.